Welcome to the biology class. In this video, we are going to start a new lesson, Plant Physiology. Plant physiology deals with the study of functioning of plants. Plants do various functions like growth, reproduction, respiration, photosynthesis. In this video, we will learn a particular activity of plants, that is, types of plant movements. Animals move from one place to another place in search of food, water, and shelter. Plants do not move from one place to another place because they are fixed on the soil by means of root system, but their parts move. The touch me not plant shows response to touch. It shows folding movement of leaves. There are two types of plant movements. They are tropism or tropic movements and nastic movements. Tropism involves the growth. Nastic movements are responses, not actual movements. Tropism is the unidirectional movement of plant or plant parts towards a single direction is tropism. Plant or plant parts move towards the direction of stimuli. For example, sunlight is a stimulus. The stem grows towards sunlight. Water is a stimulus. The root grows towards water. These are the examples for tropic movement or tropism. Nastic movements are non-directional responses. There is no growth in these movements. The plants or plant parts show response to stimulus. There is no growth take place. The plants show response. The touch me not plant shows response for touch. The response is just folding the leaves. Let us see the types of tropism. Based on the nature of stimuli, tropism can be classified as follows. If the stimulus is light, it is called a phototropism. If the stimulus is water, the tropism is hydrotropism. If the stimulus is touch, the tropism is chemotropism. If the stimulus is chemical, the type of tropism is chemotropism. Photo means light. Movement of a plant part towards light is phototropism. Example, the shoot system moves towards light. The stem grows towards light. If we keep a potted plant near the window, the branches fold and grow towards light. Here the movement involves growth. Tropism involves growth. When we keep the potted plant horizontally, it will bend and grow towards the direction of light. Geotropism involves movement of plant or plant parts towards gravity. It is a movement of a plant in response to gravity. Example, the root system grows towards gravity. Root system grows towards gravity. It is geotropism. Hydro means water. Movement of a plant or part of a plant towards water is called hydrotropism. The root system of a plant shows hydrotropism. Roots grow towards water. Here this diagram shows a lot of roots. They grow towards the direction of pond water. Mouse means touch. Movement of a plant due to touch is called Chemotropism. Example, climbing vines. The weak stem plants move in different directions due to wind. When the plants touch any support, they coil around the support. When the weak stem plants touch any support, they coil around the support and grow. Here the movement is due to touch. This is Chemotropism. Plant parts towards chemical is Chemotropism. Example, pollen tube grows towards a sugary substance present on the stigma. This diagram shows part of a flower. The upper part is stigma. The pollen grains fall on the stigma and the pollen tube grows towards the sugary substance. The sugary substance is a chemical. Movement of plant parts towards chemical is called Chemotropism. Tropism may be positive if growth takes place towards a signal. Tropism is negative if growth is away from the signal. The shoot system is positively phototropic. Shoot system shows positive phototropism. It grows towards light. And it is negatively geotropic. Shoot system grows away from the gravity. Root system is positively geotropic. It grows towards gravity. And the root system is negatively phototropic. It moves away from the light. When growth is towards signal, that is positive. When growth is away from the signal, that is negative tropism. Rhizophora is a plant that shows negative tropism. The roots show negative geotropism. Some halophytes produce negatively geotropic roots. Halophytes are plants, they grow in high salt areas. In order to respire, the roots grow out of the soil. They are called as breathing roots. Example, Rhizophora. These roots turn 180 degree upright for respiration. These roots come out of the soil. They grow away from the gravity. So they are negatively geotropic roots. Now let us move on to Nastic Moments. Nastic movement involves movement without growth. It is a response. Nastic movements are responses due to stimuli without growth. Nastic movements are non-directional responses by a plant or plant part to stimulus. Photonastic, here the stimulus is light. Nastic, the stimulus is touch. Thermonastic, the stimulus is heat. Photonest is the movement of a part of plant in response to light. Terrasagum officinale blooms in morning and closes in the evening. Evening, the flowers close. This is a response to light. There is no growth, so it is Nastic movement. Moonflower opens in the night and closes during the day. It is also a response to light. Thigmonastic, movement of part of a plant in response to touch. Touch me not plant, the leaves show movement due to touch. When we touch the leaves show folding movement. This is thigmonastic. It is Nastic movement because it is a response. It is an insectivorous plant called as Venus flytrap. It shows a quick response, a fastest response. It is an insectivorous plant. An insect is visiting the plant. The insect sits on the leaves. Suddenly the leaves fold to capture the insect. So it is a quick response. Movement of part of a plant is associated with change in temperature. Movement of plant parts towards temperature is thermonasty. Tulip flowers bloom as the temperature increases. When the temperature increases, tulip flowers bloom. Now let us see the differences between tropic movements and nastic movements. Tropic movements are unidirectional response to the stimulus. The response is towards the direction of the stimulus. Nastic movements are non-directional response to the stimulus. Tropic movements are towards the stimulus. Stem grows towards the light. Root grows towards the water. So it is a tropic movements are directional responses. Nastic movements are non-directional responses. Tropic movements are growth-dependent movements. Nastic movement does not involve growth. Tropic movements are more or less permanent. Nastic movements are temporary and reversible. The touch me not plant shows folding movement of the leaves. After sometimes the leaves open. So nastic movements are temporary and reversible movements. Tropic movements are found in all plants. In all plants, the root grows towards water and stem grows towards light. Nastic movements are found only in some special plants. Tropic movements are slow action because the action takes place after growth. Nastic movements are immediate actions. When we touch the leaves or touch me not plant, it shows immediate action.